1 by 35 plus 12 by 35a plus a square. So what we can do? Taking LCM. LCM, a square means a square by 1, no? So what will be the LCM? LCM is 35. LCM is equal to 35 itself. So 1 divided by 35 plus 12a divided by 35 plus we want to change that denominator 1 into that LCM 35. So what we have to do? A square by 1 into 35 numerator into denominator also 35. We don't want to do anything with this 1 by 35 because we want to multiply by 1 by 1 only. So no need of writing that. So LCM. So it will be 1 by 35 plus 12a by 35 plus 35a square by 35. So denominator 35. So we can take it separate. Denominator 35. So 1 by 35 common. Then balance will be what? If we take 1 by 35. What will be? 1 plus
12
12a
plus
35 square. Why we are writing that 1 by 35 outside? Then only it will become a quadratic equation. No. So change it. Square term first. 35a square plus 12a plus 1. Is it okay, no? Then dash into dash. Same as on previous question, a we took outside. No. Same way we are doing 1 by 35 outside. Then dash into dash will be what? 35 into 1. That is 35. Dash into dash will be 35. And then if we add or subtract, we want to get it as 12. These are the two numbers.
7 and 5.
7 and 5. 7 into 5, 35. 7 plus 5, 12. Okay. So 1 by 35. Then 35a square plus 7a plus 5a plus 1. Up to this completed all of you? Right.
Yes, ma'am.
Then 1 by 35. Then from here, which one we can take common?
7.
7. 7a. Balance, you can write inside the
7.
bracket. 5a. Okay. 5a plus 1.
1.
Then same 5a plus 1 we have to then
Plus
adjust. So we want to write it as plus 1. There. One by 35. Then 5a plus 1, 5a plus 1 common there. Then balance 7a plus 1. So, without this square bracket, we can directly write 1 by 35 into 5a plus 1. No need of that square bracket. We can directly write what? 1 by 35 into 5a plus 1 into 7a plus 1. Any doubt in this?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am. No doubt, ma'am.
Okay, then 17. I have uploaded this all the questions in my channel, YouTube channel. So just go through that. If you have any doubt. If you need link, I will give you. It won't be useful this year, but next year it will be useful. Since you are writing board exam next year. No, factorize x square minus 3x into x square minus 3x minus 1 minus 20. x square minus 3x into x square minus 3x minus 1. What we can do? Any similarity we can feel in that question or not? Check it. Is any two same? Can we substitute any?
X square minus 3x.
X square minus 3x, here also x square minus 3x. So we can substitute what? X square minus 3x as what? No y here. So we can write it as y or a. Which one is convenient for you? A. A. So how can we write? X square minus 3x a within brackets a. Up to this only we are substituting. Okay. Up to that only we are substituting. So remaining one, negative 1 is
A
there.
minus
Okay. So we will write it as a minus 1 minus 20. Then change the bracket. So it will be a square minus a minus 20. Dash into dash, negative 20. Then negative 1 also.
Ma'am, 5 into 4.
5 into 4. 5 into 4. So negative 20 we need. So which one will be negative? 5 or 4?
5.
5. 5 plus 4 is negative 1. So a square minus 5a plus 4a minus 20. From this a we can take. So it will be a minus 5. Same a minus 5. So here.
Plus 4.
Plus 4. So a minus 5 into a plus 4. Then substitute a as what? X square minus 3x minus 5 into x square minus 3x plus 4. X square minus 3x plus 4. X square minus 3x minus 5. Completed?
Yes, ma'am. No, ma'am. 1 minute.
Now can you hear me?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
1 second. 1 second. 1 second. Now it's okay, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. So question number, before doing question number 18 factorize, just go through that example. Not write anything. First listen. Example 7. Before that, page number 70. For each of the question number 18 is what? Is there any problem in my video?
No, ma'am.
Okay.
No, ma'am.
Look at that 18th question. For each trinomial, that means a quadratic expression. Trinomial means power 3. That means what? Trinomial given below. Trinomial. Quadratic expression is given there. Given below. Find whether it is factorizable or not. Factorize if possible. So now we are doing what? We are factorizing that. In some cases, we can't factorize. Some questions we can't get the value of x minus 1 into x plus 2 like that way we can't get. We will not get that. So what we have to do is check whether they are factorizable or not. So how can we check whether they are factorizable or not? After that, if it is factorizable, one condition is there, if it is factorizable. So that should satisfy. Then only we can say that it is factorizable. Otherwise, we can't factorize. So which are the questions? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So among that 5 questions, which are the questions we can factorize? If it can be factorized, we have to find the factorization, that factors we have to find out. So for that, what we have to do is, look at that example 7. 5x square plus 17x plus 6. 5x square, example 7, first question. 5x square plus 17x plus 6. Check whether it is same as question number 18. Example 5x square plus 17x plus 6. Check whether this is factorizable or not. How can we check? So what is this? This is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c. This is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c. So this quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. That means 5x square plus 17x plus 6. Here a stands for what? 5. B will be what? 17. C is equal to what? 6. A, B, C. Find B square minus 4AC. B square minus 4AC. So B square minus 4AC. If we get the value of B square minus 4AC as a perfect square. So which are the perfect squares? Perfect square means if we multiply a number by the same number, then only we will get a perfect square. So which are the perfect squares? Tell me. 1. 1 square, that is 1 into 1 is 1. So 1 is a perfect square. Then can we say 2 as a perfect square? 2.
No, ma'am.
No. 3. No. Next is what? 2 into
4.
2. 4. So 4 is a perfect square. Then 3
9.
into 3. 9 is a perfect square. 4 into 4. 16. 16 is a perfect square. So same way then 25 like that way. 25, 36, etc. So if we are getting the value of b square minus 4ac as 1, 4, 9, 16 like that way, we can say that it is factorizable. It is, that means we can say what? We can find the factors. If not means, suppose b square minus 4ac is equal to 2, we are getting is equal to 2. Can we say it as, can we factorize that? No. If we are getting this as 4, we can say what? We can factorize. Okay. So find out the value of b square minus 4ac. B square minus 4ac is equal to b square means 17 square minus 4 into a 5 into c 6. 17 square is what? 289 minus 5 4s are 20. 20 into 6 is what? 120. So 289 minus 120, it is there in your text itself. 289 minus 120 is what? 169. Whether it is a perfect square or not, 169, check it. How can we find out whether it is a perfect square? 8th standard portion. Whether it is a factorization. No. Which two numbers? If we multiply, we will get it as 169. Which are the two numbers?
Is it
17? Do in your rough book. 169.
Ma'am, We have tried this in the notebook.
No. Just to write in the rough book, find the factors. B square minus 4ab value. Rough calculation is enough. 169. Which two number, if we multiply, we will get it as 169. Check whether 169 is a perfect square or not. Which two numbers? These are on the board. 13 into 13 is 169.
It is perfect square.
Which is a perfect? Which is a perfect square? So we can say what? Which is a perfect square? So since it is a perfect square, we can say what?
It is fact
plus 17x plus 6 is factorizable. Then we have to find the splitting the middle term. First, we have to check whether it is factorizable or not. Then if it is factorizable, we can factorize. Okay, so that way we have to do question number 18. These are in your text itself, this example question. So no need of writing this. So 18th one. What is our question? For each trinomial that is quadratic equation given below, find whether it is factorizable or not. Factorize if possible. If possible, we have to factorize. So x square minus 3x minus 54. So usually what we will do? We will think about what? Dash into dash is equal to what? Dash into dash is equal to 54 and what? Negative 3. So why they are saying that we have to check whether they are factorizable or not? Why? Why they are giving a question like this way? Any idea?
Or else you will not get the answer.
If we multiply that to any two numbers we have to multiply, then we will have to get it as negative 54. And that same number we have to get it as negative 3. So if we are thinking we won't get that, simply sitting and wasting time. So what is the use of that? So if it is factorizable, then only we will get the value of these two numbers. We can factorize. So before doing this factorization, splitting the middle term, just to think whether it is factorizable or not for all the questions. So if it is specified there means you can do, otherwise you are in 8th standard means it will be factorizable. Don't worry about that. So x square minus 3x minus 554. So what we have to do? First step, what we have to do? This equation, this one polynomial, we have to compare with the, write down comparing. This is very important. Comparing. Comparing x square minus 3x minus 554. Comparing this with the, which one? With the, all the questions you have to do like this way. With the ax square, or down you write, that is better. With the ax square plus bx plus c. Comparing x square minus 3x minus 54 with the right below of which one? X square minus 3x minus 54 with the x square plus bx plus c. So how can we write? Therefore, a is equal to, if you are comparing this, we will get what here? A, we can write it as what? In place of a, simply x means what? 1, no? A is equal to 1. Then b is equal to, don't write first, listen me. I will give you time. Simply 1 means what? 1x square. A is equal to 1, b is equal to what?
3.
Negative 3.
No, negative 3. Negative 3. C is equal to what?
Negative 54.
Negative 54. Negative 54. Write that. Write down after this. Comparing x square minus 3x minus 54 with all the questions you have to do like this way. With the x square plus bx plus c. We are comparing this. Then after comparing, we have to write b square minus 4ac. B square minus 4ac. You will be familiar with this b square minus 4ac. 10th standard. B square minus 4ac. So how can we negative 3 the whole square minus 4 into A. 1 C negative 54. Is it clear? So find out negative 3 square.
9.
9.
9.
9. Then think of the signs. Then numbers. Do in the working order calculation.
Negative 2 and 6.
Is it negative? Think and say.
I'm positive. I'm positive.
Positive 2.
Positive only. കാരണം എന്താ -4 അതൊന്ന് മനസ്സിലാക്കണം. -4 into what? ഇവിടെ നെഗറ്റീവ് ഉണ്ട്. നെഗറ്റീവ് into നെഗറ്റീവ് പോസിറ്റീവ് ആണ്. Don't make mistake. തെറ്റിക്കരുത് കേട്ടോ. നെഗറ്റീവ് 4 negative. It is positive. 4 into 54 is what? What is it?
2 and 6.
2, 1?
216.
216. So it will be what? 225. So whether it is factorizable or not. How can we check whether it is? If you don't know, please do the factorization. Then 5. 5 4s are 20. Balance 2. 5. 9. 3. 3. That means if we get a root of 225, if we find means what we will get? 5 3s are 15. That means it is factorizable. 15 into 15 is what? 225. That way you can find out. Another method. 225 prime factorization method. Do it. Then join root new. Root means what? Joining 2. So 5 into 3, 15. Already we studied these all things in 8th standard. 8th portion.
Yes.
So 15. So 15 means what? 15 into 15 we will get it as what? 225. So we can say that which is
Perfect. Factorizable.
factorizable. Which is factorizable. So if it is factorizable, then only we have to find out what? We have to factorize. Splitting the middle term we have to do. So factorizable. Factorizable. Then start from the beginning itself. X square minus 3x. So it is factorizable. So we can factorize. So dash into dash is equal to negative 54 and negative 3. So which are the two numbers?
6 and 9.
6 and 9. 6 and 9. So what I want to write, negative or positive?
Negative 6 and 9.
Negative.
Positive 6 and negative 9.
Positive 6 and negative 9. Okay. So x square z plus 6x minus 9x minus 54.
I'm 54.
Then x plus 6. Then same. Range problem, no Swatik. Then others, tell me. What I have to write here?
Negative 9.
Okay.
Negative 9. Minus 9.
Minus 9. So x plus 6 into x minus 9.
X minus 9.
X minus 9. So that is our answer. Then second one. 2x square minus 7x minus 15. Start. First, we have to check whether it is factorizable or not. Don't do directly. That step also contains mark, that's why. If they are asking us to find whether, check whether means that part also you have to do. Same as the previous question, we have to write comparing 2x square minus 7x minus 15 with the ax square plus bx plus c. No, same way you have to write this question also. Question number 2. First question, same model, 2x square minus 7x minus 15. We have to compare with the ax square plus bx plus c. So comparing 2x square minus 7x minus 15 with the ax square plus bx plus c. Here a is equal to 2, b is equal to negative 7, c is equal to negative 15. So find out b square minus 4ac.
$49 plus 130.
49 plus 130 plus think 1. Is it correct 130? No.
120.
120. 120. So it will be 169. Already we wrote this 169. Now what is that? He said? What is 169?
Perfect square.
That is 30 square.
Perfect square.
13 square. Which is a? Which is factorizable. That is factorizable. Which is, or you want to write it, which is a perfect square. Okay. Which is a perfect square. Therefore, it is factorizable. Okay. Factorizable. So if it is factorizable, we can write what? 2x square dash into dash. Dash into dash is equal to. Then next is negative 7. Dash into dash will be what? Negative 15 into 2.
Negative 30. Negative 30.
Negative 30.
Negative 10 into 3.
Negative 10 into 3. So negative 10 plus 3. So 2x square minus 10x plus 3x minus 50.
Two x we can take common.
2x into x minus 5, then x minus 5 into 5 into 3
Plus 3. Plus 3.
plus 3. Then x minus 5 into 2x plus 3. X minus 5 into 3x plus 3. Then third question. If it is a perfect square, we are getting perfect square, we have to factorize. Otherwise, no need, no. Then it will be easy for us. Then 18th, the third one. 2x square plus 2x minus 75. Completed?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Then 18th third one. 2x square plus 2x minus 75. So comparing 2x square plus 2x minus 75 with the ax square plus bx plus c. Here a is equal to, b is equal to, c is equal to, then b square minus 4ac. That all things you have to write. C is equal to negative 75, then b square minus 4ac.
Plus 600. Ma'am, 600.
I also got 600.
Plus 4 plus 600. $604.
600.
So 604.
Not factor.
Not factorizable.
Which is not a, which is
Perfect square.
not a perfect, which is not a perfect square. Therefore, what we can say
It is not factorizable.
is not factorizable. Is not factorizable. The next question. Fourth one. 4 and 5. After 4, we can do fifth one. So try. Or can you do that as a homework, fourth and fifth one? That is easy, no? 4 and 5. Do it as a homework. So we can do 19th one. Factorize. That is better. Fourth and fifth you can do as a homework. Okay. Fourth and fifth one. Then 19th question. Four root 3x square plus 5x minus 2 root 3. Factorize. 4 root 3x square plus 5x minus 2 root 3. So we don't want to check whether they are factorizable or not. They are saying us to factorize. So that means what? We should factorize. So same as the previous questions, what we have to do? Dash into dash. will be what? Tell me. Don't write first, listen me. After that we can. Try. Dash into dash. First term, which one? Dash into dash will be what? We have to think about the last term and the coefficient of the first term. So write the question in your notebook, then do this calculation in your working column itself. So do it. 19th question, first one, 4 root 3 x square plus 5x minus 2 root 3. Then working column.
8 root 9.
What we have to do? Last term, negative 2 root 3 into what?
4 root 3.
4 root 3. So that should be our dash into dash. So negative into positive negative. 4 into 2, 8 into root 3 into root 3.
3 root 3.
No. Root 3 into 3. Root 3 into root 3 is what? 3. That is root 3 into root 3 means what? Root 9. Root 9 is what? 3. That way we are getting 3. Understood? So directly root 3 into root 3 we can write it as 3. Same way root 2 into root 2 we can write it as 2. What about root 5 into root 5? 5. Okay. So dash into dash will be what? Negative. Is it okay for you? Negative 24.
Yes, ma'am.
So that means dash into dash we want to get it as negative 24. And if we add or subtract, we want to get it as positive 5. Is it clear up to this? Any doubt? Then find out which are the two numbers. 5 we should get and
8 into 3. 8 into 3.
8 into
3. So which one will be positive?
8
Which one
into
will be
negative 3.
8 into negative.
Negative 3.
Negative 3. So 8 minus 3 is equal to 5. So 8 and so 4 root 3 x square. These all things you have to do in the working column. Okay. This then plus 8x minus 3x
Minus 2 root 3.
minus 2 root 3. Let's see.
Ma'am, try this.
Alright. 4 root 3 x square. Is it clear now? Up to this? Any doubt?
Yes. Now we have to write this now.
Yes. Then take common, which we can take common. Completed? Which one? What we can take common? No idea. From which two?
4x can we take common?
From where? Okay, 2x, okay. So I will give you two methods. That is better. Which one is convenient? That you can. From here, 4 and 8 is there, x is there. So which one we can? 4 we can take common. No, 4 into 2 only 8. X also. 4 we can take. No, multiple of 4. 4 into 2 is 8. From 4 and 8 we can take 4. Why you are bothering about 2? Directly you can take 4, no?
Ma'am, I said 4x. 4x
Ah.
only.
Okay, okay. 4x and then root 3 x. Then
Plus
plus
2.
2.
2.
Okay. Then next same root 3x plus 2 we need within brackets. So here what we have to write? We have to get the answer as negative 3x. We have only root 3x into dash.
Root 3.
Root 3. So root 3 into root 3, 3. X is there, x. But sign.
Negative 3. Negative.
Negative root 3. Okay. So if we write negative root 3, so it will become negative 3x. Then if you change this bracket, negative root 3, next it will come or not, negative root 3 into 2 is what? Negative 2 root 3. No, automatically it will come. Okay. Is it okay now? So do this in the working column. Do this in the working column. This we have to fill. So write this in a box. This we have to find out. So root 3x into dash, we don't know, is equal to negative 3x. So this we have to substitute. Negative root 3, then only we will get it as negative 3x. Then root 3 plus root 3x plus 2 we can take common. Then balance 4x minus root 3. X minus root 3 plus x plus 2. Okay. Is it okay now?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
This method is enough, no?
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Yes.
Okay, question number. Try to do question number 2 also. Factorize 19, the second one. Same way, just try it. Tuesday we can discuss. But 19, the second one, do as a homework. Okay, just try it whether you will get or not. I want to check. That's all. Okay, thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Have a nice day.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.